Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to get gold bars in Candy Crush Saga. To get gold bars in Candy Crush Saga, you have a couple of different options. Go ahead and open the Candy Crush Saga application first and make sure to log into your account. Tap the play button once you see this interface and you will end up in the map section. The first method to get gold bars is to purchase it directly within the game. Go to the top right section of your screen and then tap on the gold bar icon right next to your profile picture. You will then be able to select the desired gold bar packages and follow the payment process using your App Store account or Google Play Store account. Choose the best value offer or your weekly or daily deal options and then tap on the price button in green. You can then enter your payment information as asked on the screen and you will then be able to complete your gold bar purchase. Another way to earn gold bar is to participate in special promotions. Keep an eye out for limited time offers in the in-game store or notifications about discount or gold bar giveaways. Gold bar are primarily used to buy boosters, extra moves or unlock additional levels, and that's how you can easily get gold bars in Candy Crush Saga. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.